2 days ago, Foreign Affairs Cabinet Secretary Ambassador Amina Mohammed urged Japanese authorities to review the fumigation requirements imposed on flower exports from Kenya, where flowers exported to Japan are required to be inspected and fumigated at the port of entry, imposing extra cost on exporters. For more benefits in the industry, President Uhuru Kenyatta says Japan should increase its imports of Kenyan's flowers by dealing directly with Kenyan investors as opposed to going through the European auctions, which leads to delays in getting the flowers to their market.
We are happy to note that Kenya's flowers are gaining popularity in Japan because of their longer shelf life. And I would urge Japan to consider increasing its imports of Kenyan flowers by importing directly from Kenya, as opposed to going through European auctions, which only adds to the delay in getting flowers to the market.
President Kenyatta emphasized the need to have direct flights between Nairobi and Tokyo to boost bilateral trade and tourism between the two countries. He also invited Japanese companies to invest in the oil and gas sectors, either through the joint ventures with Kenyan companies or the public-private partnerships.
Kenya has also discovered oil and gas deposits, and given the economic importance of the sector, we also invite Japanese investors to invest in Kenya by going into joint ventures with Kenyan companies or through public-private partnerships.
Japanese business leaders expressed their increasing appetite to invest in Kenya, given the conducive business environment created by the government of Kenya, as well as Kenya's location and the improved infrastructure. The Japan International Cooperation Agency Vice President Hiroshi Kato said Japan engagement with Kenya focuses on infrastructure development, agriculture, education, health, and environmental conservation. Meanwhile, Toyota Shusho has announced plans to expand its vehicle assembly plant in Kenya. The company's chief executive officer, Jun Marube, said the company will look into prospects of the multi-million shillings investment expected to significantly transform Kenya's motor vehicle industry. In 2013, Toyota Kenya opened a 5 million shilling bus assembly plant in Changamwe that was expected to produce 40 units a month initially, but has now risen to 200 units.